Hello student, I am Jaspreet Singh from Mechanical Engineering Department of Riyadh Polytechnic College. To continue with my last lecture, today I am going to discuss about milling operation and milling cutter. Let's start with the topic. First we have plane milling. In plane milling we have plane milling cutter. It is a disc type cutter having cutting teeth on his periphery. It has straight teeth parallel to the axis of the spindle. Plane milling are used for machining flat and horizontal surfaces. As you show in diagram, show in a video, this plane milling operation can be otherwise called as slab milling. According to the relative movement between the table and the workpiece, the plane milling machine can be classified as up milling and down milling. Now first we have up milling. In up milling there is a milling cutter and a workpiece as shown in diagram. In up milling, the milling cutter rotates in the direction opposite to the feed direction of the workpiece. In up milling, the material is removed by the resultant force and the cutter is rotating against the workpiece. Next is down milling. In down milling we have plane milling cutter which is rotate with spindle as shown in diagram. In down milling, the direction of the milling cutter rotates is as the same as the workpiece feed direction. It is totally opposite than up milling. In down milling, the resultant force presses the workpiece against the base. It is also known as surface finishing process. The cutter with high rack angle can be used for down milling. Next we have face milling. In face milling we can use different type of cutter which is known as face milling cutter. As you see in diagram, now video can show you the actual operation of face milling. In face milling, the tool axis is orthogonal to the surface of the generated. In face milling, the tool does not cut with its face as the name of the method indicates, the face milling. The periphery cutting edges removes metal primarily and the face cutting edges act as secondary cutting edges. Next we have straddle milling. It is one of different kind of milling operation Here we have two side milling cutters as shown in diagram, which is fitted on over a workpiece which is clamped with machine wise. As you see in diagram, straddle milling is an operation in which a pair of side milling cutter are used for machining two parallel vertical surfaces of a workpiece simultaneously. As you see in video, two cutters are cutting the metal in same manner. The distance between the cutter is adjusted by the spacer to adjust. Next we have gang milling. In this milling we have three side milling cutter which is fitted on the arbor and workpiece fitted on the machine wise. The gang mill is the operation of machining several surfaces of workpiece simultaneously by feeding the table against a number of milling cutters. Milling cutter is same as straddle milling, but in this milling we can use many number of milling cutter. This method save much machining time also. In gang milling, the cutting speed is calculated from the cutter of largest diameter. Next we have foam milling. It is also a different type of milling machine operation. The foam milling is operation of producing irregular contour surfaces by using foam cutter. Foam cutter is a different kind of cutter which is used to make irregular shapes. It is convex or concave both. Convex milling is one of the foam milling operation. Next we have end milling operation and cutter. In this cutting operation, there is end milling cutter which is used to finish the sides of the job. As you see in video, end milling is an operation of producing narrow slots, grooves, keyways and vertical flat surface on the workpiece. It is also used for grooves and to cut keyways on the workpiece, which is very important operation in mechanical engineering. End milling cutter can be performed vertical and horizontal or at an angle in reference to the table. Next we have angular milling. It is one of the different kind of milling machine operation which is operated by an angle milling cutter which is fitted on arbor as you show in figure. Now you can see the video. The angular milling is the operation of producing an angular surface on a workpiece. As you see in video, a angular cutter can cut the angular grooves. It may be single or we can use two angular cutter at same time. Next we have T-slots. In T-slots we have T-slot cutter which is used to cut T-slot on the workpiece. As you show in diagram, a two T-slot cutter. Now you can see the video. In T-slot milling operation, First, a plain slot is cut on the workpiece via side milling cutter, and you can cut a T-slot after you can cut the grooves first. Then the T-slot milling cutter is fed from one end of the workpiece. This is the milling operation and cutters. Thank you, students.